Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So last year, nag-post po ako ng video about SSS Disability Pension or Benefit. And marami po akong na-receive na questions through comment section. And right now, gusto ko po siyang i-address because hindi po lahat maisa-isa ko doon. But basically, nireplyan ko naman po yung ibang comments. But now, I'd like to share that the reason why I applied for such benefits sa SSS is because naoperahan po ako at that time. And basically, organ removal siya. So, maraming mga requirements ang hiningi sa akin. Operation record, tsaka yung abstract. Makukuha mo siya sa records department ng hospital. So, basically, at that time, nag-submit din ako ng yung bank accounts, ganyan, tsaka yung signature of my doctor, yung surgeon. Sasabihin din po sa inyo kung hanggang anong age pwede kang apply for such benefit. Kasi iba-iba po ang application ng bawat benefits kasi iba-iba po yung reason ng disability, di ba? So, when it comes to application, mabilis naman siya. Nung nag-wait na ako ng approval, hindi naman sobrang tagal, around a month. And then, nung un-approve na, siguro mga 3 weeks, nag-start na ako makareceive ng SSS Disability Pension. Monthly siya. So, may mga tanong kung magkano, paano, ganyan. So, basically, when I applied, nagbigay po ako ng bank account. So, doon siya. That account is for my SSS monthly pension for disability. And then, aside from that, so may tanong, magkano, ganyan. Kung hanggang ngayon ba is nakaka-receive pa ako. Yes, nakaka-receive pa din naman ako. And then, monthly is around 8,000 plus. Maybe because it is around 10 years or more than that na ako naghuhulog sa SSS. Although right now, hindi pa ako regular na nag-work. But basically, yan siguro yung basis nila. I don't know sa inyo, pero you can ask them. You can go to SSS. May nagtanong din sa akin kung ano daw yung disability ko. So again, that's organ removal. So, nagkasakit kasi ako at that time. Yun, hospital. Nag-try lang naman ako mag-apply. And then, I got 30% while being, process yung approval ko. Just ask them question. Kung ano yung papers din na ibibigay nyo para hindi kayo pa balik-balik doon. So, ang masasabi ko lang po is iba-iba po kasi tayo ng reason ng disability. So, some of your questions, hindi ko siya masasagot kasi hindi yan yung naranasan ko or hindi ko masasagot yan. So, I am just sharing my experience when it comes to SSS disability pension or the benefits. So, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Please don't forget to share your comments or mga questions pa kayo. Baka alam ko yung sagot. I'll answer it. Thank you. Bye!